All right, well, welcome, everyone. My name is David Theobald. I'm from Conservation Science Partners, and on behalf of my colleagues from Landscape Conservation Initiative, I wanted to briefly introduce our workshop number 2. It's a final workshop on our one of our landscape conservation design projects. So the objective of this workshop is to demonstrate what products will be available from our conservation design and the various ways they can be used to further conservation in Green River Basin. So we hope that you'll find it useful because you'll be able to interact with maps and spatial data sets, analyses, and summaries, be able to identify some focus areas and conservation actions, discuss some of the uses and potential actions and applications with us, and we hope that in general it'll be useful to build and strengthen partnerships. Now, so what is the Green River Basin Landscape Conservation Design? The goals are really to through a collaborative process, complement existing projects and partnerships by synthesizing and developing spatial data and information. So we hope that it's consistent, comprehensive, and provides a landscape scale context. So we've been going through quite a process for about a year and a half or so. As you can see, we've done some guidance and review. We're doing some spatial analysis, and there's also a collaborative planning process. So the big thing is that we're holding this workshop in Vernal, Utah on November 15th through the 16th, and we hope you can join us. Just real quickly, we're going to talk about this analytical framework where we talk about various resources and conservation opportunities. We'll be putting that in a vulnerability framework. We have a number of worked analyses to be discussed, and these break into general riverine riparian processes and also generally for sagebrush ecosystem. And for each of these, we'll be talking about it. Here's just an example of a few maps looking at land use effects on riparian areas. These are all the small polygons are all watersheds, and you'll be able to see how we combine various stressors and resources into a vulnerability assessment, which is shown on the right-hand side. So you'll be able to see the patterns of the vulnerability. Here's an overall vulnerability map of riparian watersheds where red is showing the highest vulnerability to threats associated. All right. So the objective of this workshop, again, just to reiterate, is that we want to demonstrate the products that we've developed. We want to communicate those with you and discuss those with you so that we can help understand your potential uses of them and the proper uses and limitations of those, and hopefully you'll be able to network with some other folks in the basin as well. To get some more information about that, you can go to this site here on the LCD Collaborative website itself. The URL is down at the bottom, and I hope that you can join us in November. Thanks very much.